How to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to chat with Meta AI and generate AI images directly inside WhatsApp. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android or iPhone. Keep in mind that your WhatsApp Messenger must be up to date for this feature to work. Once your app is updated, come back into WhatsApp. From here, you should see a small purple circle. Tap on it and then press Accept to continue if prompted. Once the chat opens, you can start asking Meta AI questions, just like a normal conversation. For example, you can ask it things like facts, ideas, or even request AI-generated images. Now, type in any prompt you want, and Meta AI will instantly reply with an answer or generate an image for you. You can also continue the conversation back and forth, just like chatting with a real assistant. Another cool feature is that you can use Meta AI inside your regular WhatsApp chats as well. Now, open any conversation and tap on the clip icon near the message box. Then tap on the Create with AI feature. From here, you can either choose or create an image using AI. Now, WhatsApp will create an AI image for you that you can instantly send in the chat. And that's it. That's how you can use Meta AI in WhatsApp step by step.